are going to love the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, power liftgate, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage, universal garage door opener, security alarm, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, heated steering wheel, fog lamps, trip computer, CD player, heated front seats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.